Good evening. I am in Grand Haven on the North Channel Pier. I'm trying to get some great images of storms that are going to be coming in across the lake, and I'm hoping to get some really great lightning shots. I don't know. One of the things about lightning shots is that you need to have a steady surface because you never know exactly where the lightning is going to strike. So it's a lot of a guessing game. But having a tripod is paramount. Guess who forgot his tripod at home? It's right next to the door, right where I left it, so I wouldn't forget it. Some days. So this is what I ended up with. Ran into Walmart, got a $20 tripod. And I don't think it's worth $20. I really don't. It is unbelievably cheap, and it barely supports the weight of my camera. So, yeah, it's not going to be good, but we'll see what we can do. I'll try to make something work with this. What an idiot.